Natasha Ramaya, live at 5. So, welcome everyone on my page, Small Wonders, on my group, Parent Station, on Instagram, and on podcast. So, thank you so much, everyone, for being here every single day at 5 p.m. So, this time, I always look forward in the entire day when I schedule my day because I'm very excited to come live on Instagram, on Facebook, and on podcast. So today the topic that I'm going to talk about is a very interesting topic. And Mondays I have given to games because I strongly believe that by playing games, children, not only children, but everyone learns a lot. So I take up one game every Monday. I talk about that game and I give you an idea that why we should allow children or why we should give children opportunity to play this game. So today the game that I've picked up is a very, very, very popular, a very traditional, a very old, the most old game that we all have played. So it's carom board. I'm sure we all have one carom board in our homes. But before lockdown, it was just lying in the storeroom. But now we have taken it out. During lockdown, I have seen pictures on social media of many, many, many people playing this family game. So it again came out of the storeroom. We dusted all the dust and we started playing this carom board. But earlier, before these gadgets were invented and they were there with us, carom, cards, all these games were with us. So I was so happy that when I saw carom board coming out of the storeroom, I was so happy that yes, ultimately this thing had to come out. So let me discuss what happens and what children learn when they are playing with carom. So it entertains and exercises your mind. So it's a fun game, a family game wherein the whole family is connected. And this game is for all ages. आप 3 साल के हो, आप 30 साल के हो, आप 65 साल के हो या 80 साल के हो. It is for all ages. And more you practice, more the finesse of this game comes to you. So it exercises your mind because when you are on the carom board, so much mind is put at work. And in all my talk shows, when I talk about a game, I always stress on this word that mind is put at work because I really look forward for those kind of games wherein there is interaction. So I don't like games which are one way where you play on the mobile or which you play on the screen. So that is only one way game where the screen is interacting with you and you are not able to interact. But this is a game where you get time and your mind is put at work. Second important thing that we learn from this game is it enhances your coordination. So बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है जब हम कैरम खेलते हैं. So aiming, putting the striker at the right place, giving the right force of the finger, and many people have different ways to strike. Some people will strike it with the help of their thumb and index finger. Some will use the first two fingers and they will push the striker to get that tag, and it is so wonderful. So much of coordination happens that you have to keep coordination of your fingers, of the striker, and of the place where you have to strike it. So you have to take the opponent's thing also in consideration कि उनके कहीं तो कोई वो पड़े नहीं है कि हमको उससे छुपाते हुए या उससे निकलना है. So nice and so beautiful. It makes you disciplined. So when you're playing this game, you cannot afford to play this game dancing. You have to be very, very disciplined. So where you're placing your striker, the body has to be in full discipline. So this game teaches us discipline. The main component of this game is that you learn to be disciplined because your body has to have a certain frame, it has to be in a certain posture, and it has to have a certain discipline. Because if you tend to move a little, I'm sure you will miss the shot. So this game is very, very nice when you're looking forward to discipline. Good family time, as I mentioned. Yes, good family time because this game is a fun time and everyone. If four people are playing, suppose I have a large family, say around 10 to 12 people, only players are playing this game, then also the other players, the other members of the the family can join in as cheerleaders, and they can, be on our side or on the other side, and then discuss the strategy kaise karna hai, and they feel happy if we strike, they feel sad if we miss the shot. So eventually the whole family gets connected. And at times it happens that you take turns, for example, in our family, what happens if it's a big game and it takes a little more time, then we take turns. So in the first turn, my husband is playing, and then he will make a shift, and then I will sit in his place and I will play the rest of the game. So it's a wonderful, wonderful game when it comes to family time. Then it's memory formation and cognitive skills. So memory formation भी इस game में बहुत अच्छे से होता है कि once you have tried one strategy to get that thing out, then you will have to remember that thing कि मैंने ऐसे इस angle से shot लिया था and it just went there, or I had taken this angle and I missed the shot. तो कितना thinking, कितना memory formation भी होता है, and kitni cognitive development happens in this game. So we are not aware of these developments. We look for these developments in the worksheets, in the books, in the classrooms, in academics, but the real development happens in the game. So let's allow children, let's give them opportunities to play these games. I have seen that on mobile also there are apps wherein you can play carom board, wherein you can play other games. Ludo is also there, cricket is also there. But wo maza, jo physically sitting on the table and playing a carom board with all the stags and with all the strikers and everything with the family members, has totally, totally, totally a different impact. So I request ki please do not play these games on the mobile, because again it will be one way interaction wherein you don't have any other person. The computer is playing on one side and you are playing on the other side. So bring a physical carom board in your house, put it on the table and sit, or you can put it on the floor, wherever it's very comfortable. Motivates children to involve in healthy competitions. So here we always want the children to learn how to accept failures, learn how to accept when other people win. So this is the best game which offers healthy competition, because under sare family members there, and when the other person wins, I'm like, oh, and when I win, I'm like, yay. So I learn how to deal with healthy competitions, and that is what we want our children to learn, because we want our children to participate in the competition of life, in the competitions in school, and ultimately we want them to face whatever the result is. So games like these, when children play, they learn how to participate in the healthy competitions and accept the result that comes out. Then enhances verbal communication. So when you're playing this game, आप एक बार try करना, अभी consciously when you play this game, you will come to know how much you interact with the players, how much comments you pass, those funny comments. Sometimes you release your anger, your frustration, because since long you're trying to get that stag and you're not able to get it. So, so much of communication happens, verbal communication. So it needs to be developed. And when can we develop this communication skills? When we play games like these. Most important is the focus attention, because ये एक ऐसी गेम है जिसमें हम फोकस सबसे ज्यादा डेवलप और एनहांस कर सकते हैं, because we have to keep the focus on the stag, on the strike, and on the place where we want this stag to go. So kitna focus I have to put, and it enhances. So it हम सोचते हैं बच्चे फोकस नहीं करते, बच्चे फोकस नहीं करते, पर ज्यादातर हम उनको मौका ही नहीं देते कि वो फोकस करना सीखें. So if you allow and if you bring these games in your house and give children the opportunities to play these games, automatically when they develop interest, these things will automatically develop in them. तो फोकस सबसे ज्यादा डेवलप होता है इस गेम में, बिकॉज कितना फोकस लगाना पड़ता है. एंड एट द एंड व्हेन दिस गेम कम्स टू एन एंड, व्हेन देयर इज अ किंग एंड देयर इज अ कवर एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ क्वीन, तो कितना फोकस लगाना पड़ता है, एंड सो मच enthusiasm overall happens in this game. Then it challenges the brain with mental stimulation. So this is very important, because we want our children to have ability to challenge themselves. So this game gives them an opportunity to challenge their mental stimulation, because they challenge themselves. Because at some point it happens that the rival will always encourage you, up to kar, and sometimes the rival may discourage you. At that time, you challenge yourself, okay, this queen is mine, and I'm going to take the cover also. And you challenge yourself, and how much mental stimulation happens in this process. So this is a fun process. I always encourage things which are fun and learn kind of a things. I am a person who will never focus on academics. Well, I will give a balanced approach when it comes to academics. It is very, very important to go to school, to learn, to have those books, to finish those books, to finish those assignments, those worksheets. But I strongly encourage that equal opportunity should be given to these games, because life skills, the cognitive development, the thinking, the critical thinking, and problem solving only can be done when children and we all play these kind of games. अगर हम ये सब से वंचित हैं, definitely we find children not having an all-round development. If I say that my child is very good in academics, my child can solve numbers and puzzles, and my child can solve mathematical sums like this, it's not enough, because we need to have problem solving skills. Our cognitive development should be proper, our communication, it should be a whole package. So I always focus on overall development, and I strongly urge parents. That is why I arrange these kind of talk shows, wherein I give you an idea that why we should play these games, why we should have these kind of stuff in our homes, wherein we give children those opportunities that can enhance their overall development. Try this game at home. This is a very, very fantastic game. पूरे लॉकडाउन हमने तो ये गेम बहुत खेला. My daughter is 7 years and she, is not that good in this game, but she loves to arrange those tags in place, black and white, black and brown होते हैं. So she likes to arrange them. Then she likes to strike them. And at times, she cheats, because she's little small still to get the grip over the game. So she will, throw a tantrum. Nahi, 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 ab mera turn. I will take twice. And no, I missed the shot. And this, that. And we allow little because we want her to develop confidence in playing. So give children these opportunities. Give them opportunities wherein they can explore themselves with enthusiasm. So, dear parents, this is it from my side, and thank you so much. Tomorrow is the time when I come up with a story. और कल जो story मैं लेकर आने वाली हूँ, it's going to be, it's one of the stories that is very, very nice, very, very inspirational. और जो story सारी मैंने मेरे बैंक में इकट्ठी करके रखी हैं बोलने के लिए, each story is close to my heart because it gives me a lesson of life. तो आई थॉट कि मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करूं, ताकि जितना शेयर किया जाए ये सारी चीजें, इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइस, so that you all share it with someone else and they share it with someone else, and this is how we spread knowledge, and this is how we spread what we think. So thank you everyone on Instagram, on Facebook, and on podcast. So I will request you all, we have a community of Facebook called Parent Station. So if you are not a member of that Parent Station, please go to the Facebook and type in Parent Station and you will find that group. Please send a request. I will accept, because we are growing this group and we are trying to bring in experts of parenting and talking about various things on this platform so that we can give our children a better, better, better and best childhood. So this is a bye from my side. Thank you. Thank you very much.